Hello friends, welcome to ASPM's Daily Munchies. Today we've come up with a very interesting and an important topic about defense. The topic shall include various missiles and its importance from the prelims point of view is immense. Now let's talk about Astra. Astra is a beyond visual range air-to-air missile. That is, it is launched in air and targets are in the air. Astra is a short visual range missile, so it has got a range of 60 kilometers and it has got a high precision. It has got a single shot high kill probability. It has properties of engaging and destroying maneuvering supersonic aerial targets. It has got certain unique features like the active radar terminal guidance, excellent electronic countermeasures, that is ECCM features, and it has got smokeless propulsions. Thus, it is a very improved and effective missile. So you can visualize here the Astra. The next very important missile is the supersonic cruise missile, which is the BrahMos. BrahMos is developed by DRDO in association with the Russian Missile Development Agency. BrahMos is in fact the world's most formidable supersonic cruise missile. It has got two-stage precision strike weapon. It operates on a principle of fire and forget. So even if the target changes its position, it goes and hits the target. It can be launched from multiple platforms against land and sea targets. It flies at top speed of 2.8 Mach and can carry a warhead about 300 kgs. In fact, BrahMos weighs 3 tons and it is capable of destroying very high value enemy targets within the shortest possible time. So this improves Indian armies and Indian strike capabilities in very major manner. Now let's talk about Helena. Helena is a third generation helicopter launched anti-tank guided missile. So basically it's an anti-tank. It attacks tanks. It's a guided missile. Guided missile means even if the tank moves, it is guided by GPS and it can hit the target. So you can visualize a helicopter, and on this is Helena. It is basically a Nag missile, which is launched on a helicopter. Hence the name Helena. It's a third generation helicopter launch anti-tank guided missile. It has got a lock-on before the launch capability, LOBR. That is, you set the target that this tank has to be blasted, and the missile will maneuver itself to hit the target. It has got imaging with the infrared for integration on the AHLs. Now, what's Prospina? Prospina is also an anti-tank missile. Basically, Nag is also known as Prospina. It's also a third generation anti-tank missile with fire and forget and top attack capabilities. It can be used in day as well as night because it has got infrared guiding path. It can also be deployed especially on modified vehicles, that is the ICV BMP-2, and that is known as NAC carrier, a missile carrier, that is NAMICA. It can also be launched on a handheld devices. So this NAG missile is an anti-tank missile which has got a very important role in our defense preparedness. What is SAW? SAW is a smart anti-airfield weapon. So basically, it's a long-range glide bomb. Sorry for the disturbance. Prahar is a short-range surface-to-surface. So it is launched on such vehicles, and it is basically an tactical ballistic missile, and the solid fuel missile. Vis-a-vis, this can be compared with the Prithvi, which is a liquid fueled missile, and it can be launched in very short time, that is 2 to 3 minutes, and thus it can give an upper hand in attacking the enemies. It provides significantly better reaction time, and because it is a fluid filled, because with the Prithvi ballistic missiles, so it is expected that this will replace the Prithvi ballistic missiles. And this missile is lies in between the Pinaka missile, which is a long range surface to surface, and Prithvi is a short range liquid propellant missile. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Daily Munchies and follow us on Telegram. Thank you.